Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to set a passcode for Telegram. So let's get started. So if you want to set a passcode for your Telegram application, and passcode means whenever you open up your Telegram application, so before opening up your Telegram application you have to enter a 4-digit code. So to enable that feature, what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application and then tap on the 3 bar icon which is on the top left, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you just tap on privacy and security. After tapping on privacy and security, here you can see passcode lock. So just tap on it, and now you can set a passcode for your Telegram. So just tap on enable passcode, and now you have to set a 4-digit passcode for your Telegram. So just enter a 4-digit passcode and then re-enter the same passcode. Then you can see you have successfully turned on your 4-digit passcode. So after turning on your 4-digit passcode, you can find some features. So what you can do is just simply turn on your fingerprint. So you can also enter your fingerprint. So to access this feature, what you have to do is just simply open up your settings and then set a fingerprint for your device. So the same fingerprint will be also used in your Telegram. So you can do that, and now what you can do is just tap on this option which is auto lock, and now you can set a timer. So every 5 minutes, if you just open up your Telegram, you have to enter a passcode. So you can set it for every minute, or you can also disable this option. You can set it for every hour and 5 hours. It's your choice. So that's it guys. This is how to turn on passcode lock on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.